So I got a short code for you, and it's so much quicker. 70178. Hey guys, what's going on? Are you looking for movies and TV shows, live TV and sports, all on your Amazon Fire TV sticks, on apps you can't find in the App Store? Check this out, follow along. Check out this new store. All new great apps I bet you've never heard before. Highlight, find, pull down with your remote, and in search, select it. We're going to type in one letter D, and D should bring up downloader. Select that, and this is downloader. This is the orange icon we're looking for. So just click on it. Now, if you don't have downloader, down here it'll say get it. I already have it, so it already says I already own it, so just download it. So we just select, and it throws it into the queue to get these great applications for you. And please follow along, share this with a friend. I know you know someone who would love this app. Before we open the app, hit the home screen on a remote and head all the way over to the search icon. Pull down with your remote, and here we have Fire TV. Yours may say my device, or it may be down here depending on the version of your stick. So select my Fire TV. As you can tell, I have developer options listed. If this is your first time using this, you probably don't, and that's okay. Just highlight about, select it. And then here it says Fire TV stick. Yours may say 4K or something else, as long as it's the top one. Select it about 7 to 10 times, and then down at the bottom, no need. Now you are a developer. So we can back out one, developer options, select onto it. Here, ADB debugging, turn it on. Highlight install unknown apps. This may just have an on and off right here. That's all you need to do. If it does not, select it, look for downloader, the application we need, and push on. This enables downloader to sideload apps onto the Firestick. Hit the home button. Now if we go all the way to the 3 squares plus sign, select, and it comes up with all the apps we already have on our device. So we just come on, puppy, where are you going? Kerplunk. So all the apps that we have on our device, and here is downloader. So we're going to select it and open it up. Yes, allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. So downloader works just like a web browser. You can type in any URL, for instance, the website we're going to go to, http://ledbytheunknown.com/. It's a little much, so I got a short code for you, and it's so much quicker. Here first we have this little red circle. It acts just like a cursor, and then we have up, down, right, left with our remote, and the center buttons are select. So if we just highlight in this field, select here, and we have a short code, so select, and here is our short code, 3701778, and then we can come down and hit next. Now this will automatically direct it to the Led by the Unknown's website without having to worry about typing in the entire word. Once the redirect is over and the page is loaded, use our little 3-line button on our remote, and here it says add page to favorites. So we can select on it, push save, and then next time you come here looking for a great app, just use the 3-line buttons, favorites, and here it is. You can select it, no redirect, nothing, goes straight to the web page. Now this, folks, this is going to be our new store for all great apps for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. Head on down. Best apps for 2026. This is June. Follow along some of these steps. The best apps for June 2026. Follow along. I've just updated everything. New apps you've never heard before. Sports, movies, TV shows, live TV, all on your Amazon Fire TV stick. First one I would suggest, sports. We can click on AK. Stages of the app. Click install on the bottom right. And then highlight done. Then delete the installation file. And yes, confirm the delete. Going back out. More sports, more sports, more live TV. We can do the same here. Give this, come on down for a little bit. Give this countdown a few moments. And then here we have the application, little white arrow, click on it. And then it starts the download process. Bottom right, click install. And then highlight done. And then we're going to delete the installation file again to make sure it doesn't take up space on our device. So delete. Confirm the delete. We can back out one. A goodie, an oldie, but a goodie, Cody. We can select it. Come down to the little blue button. Select the blue button. And again, download it right to our device. Down on the bottom right, click install. And then highlight done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Going back to the main store page. We got HD. Here, just wait for the little start up. Don't worry about push and accept or anything. Just highlight that, click on it. Bottom right, click install. Hit done. Delete the installation file. Confirm the delete. And back to the downloads store. There are many, many great apps for you to choose from. From movies, TV shows, stream live TV, or streaming sports. Let's go back to the home screen. Check out where these applications went. So if we hit the 3 squares plus sign again, and here we got some of the apps right down at the bottom. So we use 3-line button here, move to the front, move to the front, move to the front. And here we can open up Kodi. We'll hit continue. Allow to access photos, media, files on our device. Okay. Here we have Kodi. Come up, hit the settings icon. Hit system. Add-ons. Slide over, come down to unknown sources, turn that on and say yes. Back out. We're going to go to File Manager. Add a source. Highlight the field and we get a keyboard. And in this keyboard, we're going to type in a URL. HTTP. We need a colon. Right now we have a semicolon, so we have to come down here to the shift and we get a colon. So colon // and here's a new digs. And then once you have it all written in, just head over and click OK. If you get some kind of connection error after this, that means you didn't type it in properly. Here there's a name for it, so remember that and click OK. We'll back out, hit add-ons, come down to zip. Look for the file that it was named, so digs. And the zip. Wait a few minutes. There, it's installed. Now from the repository, select dig. And here we'll go down to program adds. We have Chef Wizard. It used to say Chef Omega. It doesn't say Omega anymore. It no longer doesn't auto install. We have to manually do this. So we can click on it. Install. Wait for a little bit. There is a counter meter here for the percentage that has been installed. So it's at 0. Then it'll go to 33 and then it's done. So it says it's installed. So we just select it one more time and down here now it says open. So we can click open. Kodi gives us some options here. So we use the build. And we can try the first one. Say continue. Here, it's getting everything good to go. I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for following along. I hope these tutorials help out you greatly. I know some of these videos may seem repetitive. They are. 95% of my viewers are brand new, have never seen a video. So if you've seen this one multiple times, I really thank you. I'm updating the store constantly. There's forever changes going on with the Amazon Fire TV sticks. We're staying on top for you, okay? This old Cody setup, yes, I know, it's a little mundane. It's a little pain in the ass to go around. But trust me, it's the one thing that's staying. Now that it's done all that, it will ask you to force close so we can say, okay. So remember, I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick tips, tricks, and how-tos. Please follow along. This is just a demo for you guys to understand how to do this yourself. All right, thank you, take care, peace. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick tips, tricks, and how-tos.